Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with Remotasks. So let's get started. So here we are in Remotasks.com. So the first thing that you would need to do if you're a beginner is to sign up with Remotasks right here. So click on the sign up button, and then after that you will be redirected to the sign up process. So if you didn't sign up yet with Remotasks, then I have a video about that on how to sign up here in Remotasks, so I can guide you through it. So everything you would need to know about signing up, so you can check out my other video. So here in Remotasks dashboard, so let's say you have already signed up, and from here what you would need to do first is click here on your profile and click on account. And from here you would want to go into payment, so click here. And from here you want to make sure that you have your payment information already connected to your Remotasks account. This is very important, so that you would get paid and make money, and also you would get projects that would match you. So this would really help you. And then the next thing is you want to go into your profile, and then you can connect your link in a profile here. So if you have that, or you could also just drag and drop your PDF format resume here, so that people would be able to be interested in you and giving you projects here in Remotasks. So that would also greatly help in matching your projects. So yeah, this is it. So you would have to complete your profile here. So once you have completed that, then you can now go into onboarding right here. So when you go into onboarding, these are the only things that is available for me as of the moment, because I only have the beginner account, so which means I don't have much. So I have the video annotation right here, which is like this, and the transcription right here. So you can transcribe the text in an image or website, or you could go with video annotation, so you can track objects in a video by drawing the specified shape for each label. So this is what you can do right here. So in this case, here in the onboarding center, as you can see, complete the intro Remotasks course in order to unlock more projects. So you can click here on start course. And then from here, you would have to complete all of this. So how is label data used in artificial intelligence and so on. So you just want to click on next, and how to get work right here, and just continue. So make sure that you understand all of this right here. I'm just skipping this through just for the sake of tutorial, but you have to understand this so that you won't be clueless later on. So click on continue, and right here, read all of that, understand it, and so on. So click on continue. How to get paid right here, this is where you can see your payments right here, your projects that you have done, and click and continue, and security right here. So this is basically what you'll be going through when you sign up right here. So you'd also be going through this, and you'll be basically going through this test right here. So this is true, and check answer, and then continue, and then you want to go through the following is considered is a strong password, which is this one. Check answer and continue. So basically you have to complete all of this. So learn more about the task that you are working on. This is no, because it is all confidential. So from here, what you're gonna do is we are also gonna go for no on this one, because this is also confidential right here. So click on continue, and then for this one is true. So check answer and continue. And then there we have it. We have now completed it. So now we can click on start tasking. And now in here, let's see what's next. As you can see, it is currently empty. So now let's refresh our onboarding center right here and see what Remotasks has in store for us. So now the Chalice newspaper is now available for us. So now we can click here on Chalice newspaper. And then from here, we can take the course right here on Chalice newspaper. So you would have to take the test on this course right here, complete everything in order for you to start earning here in Chalice newspaper. So that is basically how Remotasks work. It's basically the same thing with the other task here in the onboarding center. So as you can see here, we have data collection, content and knowledge, 2D and 3D. So basically the cheapest one here that you can earn money in is data collection, and then the most money that you can make in is LiDAR annotation and LiDAR segmentation right here. So yeah, so the more deeper you get right here, the more money you would have, or you would be able to earn. And you'd have the certification exam. So complete certification exams to unlock opportunities to work on project that requires special skills right here. Note that completing the exams won't directly grant you the permission to specific projects right here. So this would really help you if you completed all of these courses right here and get the certificates, so that you'd be able to get more projects here right here that would need special skills and would earn you more money. And the other method that you can get here is basically when you go into communities of Remotask, like for example in Facebook, Remotask community. So let's say you are in the US, so you want to type US, and then you'd be able to see some communities here in the US right here. As you can see, it is a Facebook group, which is this one right here. So people here are posting that they would hire someone to work the task for them, so that you can apply for that, and that way you would also have a specialized guide in that certain task that you are working on, because they would be guiding you through that. So you could also do that right here. And with that, if you are successfully invited to that certain group or team here in Remotask, then you wouldn't have to wait here in your task queue for it to be given by Remotask, because the team itself will be giving you the tasks that you will need to be working on as a part of your team, or your part in their contribution. So yeah, this is a very helpful one right here. So I suggest that you join to the teams here in Remotask, which I think is better than just completing the certification exam right here and just waiting for these jobs or these projects to open up for you. So that is basically it on this tutorial on how you can make money on Remotask. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.